What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And guys, just want to say, guys, I hope you guys had a good Christmas. I took a little break off, and I hope you guys have a good New Year. Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. You're here. So, guys, today we are doing Lady Leshurr fake flex. Fake flex. I don't know who she a this, who she a torment, who she a torture, another one, yeah? But we are going to jump tonight anyway. Also, guys, something very strange happened on my channel. So, when IVD done our daily duppy and this a bag of people, I react to it. It was fine. That was about a month and a half ago. See? Alright. All of a sudden, after I done the last Lady Leshurr reaction, DIV, which is the Ivorian doll, this, all of a sudden, me see YouTube block the Ivorian doll this. No, the Ivorian doll daily duppy. YouTube block it. Why? What am I doing live? IVD, I'm just reacting. Me not say nothing where Lady Leshurr wasn't saying. I just turn it around. So, me don't know what am I doing in real life. IVD, me you good, me G. Me you good. So don't make me have nothing. Me you good. So tell YouTube, say, unblock my thing. Immediately. Or else, then I'm going to suffer the consequences over here. Yeah, big up all of the reaction channel, you know. Big up all of the artists, them too. So, me stay. I speak the truth, and this truth shall live on forever. So, we're going to pause every 10 seconds. So, let's go! Let's go. Let's get it. Fake flex. What? 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 That could be in the name Russell Howard, right? Russell Howard the name, right? Oh, also, that's Lady Leshurr on him show. So, locations, Queen's Palace, date 11th of October, time 1:45 a.m. Alright. Lady just received a BEM from the Queen. What the hell is a BEM? What is a BEM? Can somebody explain what a BEM to me? Can somebody explain what is a BEM? So decided to celebrate in a mansion. Girl, in a mansion. I wrote a freestyle in the cinema room on arrival. Rah, so this was spontaneous. I like it. So the video I want to in other words, okay. I want to feel like Lil Wayne for the day. Lil Jeezy, Lil Wayne. Pick up Lil Wayne, man.
Hey, Leash. Woo! I woke up as a BEM winner.
See that again. BEM. What is a BEM? Yeah, me Google that. What is a BEM? Me go Google that. Sorry guys, me Google that. Cause I don't know what a BEM is, and it go bug me. It go bug me. So she wake up as a BEM. So obviously it is BEM award. Oh, the British Empire Medal. Okay, award from Australia. Oh, you get that, mama? You think Lord? You think Lord? BEM? What? Okay.
Queen of England sees me. It's like a look in a mirror. I'm old school, like a BBM pinger.
Yo, she's like the Queen of England CR. Imagine the Queen of England are in our living room and I vibe to some Lady Leshurr. So, some Queen speech. You know what I mean? Yeah, she said it's old school like a BBM, Blackberry pin. She said, yo, the Queen said, mighty, I quite like this. Who is this? Like, she need a BEM. Yo, big up yourself, Lady Leshurr. You deserve it, man.
And I make notes, you can call me an EDM singer. I can't stand these negative comments, even the bitter trust.
Yeah, me can't stand the negative comments, them, cause me see a couple negative comment on me thing. I'm gonna run for black people, you know. Me black, you know, steel, cement, and bumbuckler make house out of, you know. Me black, you know. Me not like the negative things, Virgin. If you have got nothing good for say, don't say anything. You see me? Yeah, cause a lot of work she put in. I want to know people on the lower, man. On the low, my girl, man.
Talking like a foul off. TV shows just make the name bigger. Facts. I'm the queen of shade summer. You're the queen of shade brother. We ain't built the same brother.
She basically tell us that not because she wasn't putting out music, she's still been here. She's still been on the scene. She's still on the scene. She had a TV show, make her name bigger to different audience, to different people out there. That's what she's telling us. So don't feel like she drop off. You understand? Don't say nothing. Let's go.
I can see it in your eyes that you're vexing it.
Yeah.
I just had a mansion just so I can flex in it. Fake ones have detected it, yeah. These girls disrespected.
Make her sit in the ice and the Bex. That's how I go eye out a mansion. You see me? Just for celebrate my BEM. Me, you see me? My British Empire medal. Oh, I'm toner. Me go celebrate that. Oh, I'm toner. Oh, eh. Scar.
Disinfected it, wow. That's my sis. If I do drill, I can spit like this. That's all you lot want these days, but I bet you still say I make news if I kiss.
Yo, I'm confident. Who else realized in the DIV song, she not put one curse through the night, and she still wiped the floor with IVD. IVD, me I call her name again. Me no business with you. You can't block that one. Yeah. Only Leshurr can block this one. I don't care. Who realized that she don't curse one curse word and she really wiped the floor? IVD, if you put out a song that is as creative as this or the last one, me still give you the fire just like I'm giving it to she. No, me not take no side in the woman them thing. Me not take no side in the man them thing either. Me just know say yo good music, me like react to good music. Let's go!
Man, gotta do better than this. That boy there ain't innocent. Stop protecting him. Stop that. I've lost respect for him. He's a brother, but he's not my next of him.
How she lost respect for? I've lost respect for him. He's my brother, but he's not my next of kin. Oh, can somebody leave her and tell me who she's talking about, please? Can somebody tell me who she's talking about here? Come on, no.
You don't even have to know me. I'm a black woman and I got to check a king. We got the equity. 1 million contract rejected it.
1 million contract rejected it. 1 million. So did a company offer to sign her for 1 million and she rejected it? Cause she know her worth. If that's the case, she know her worth. She knows that she worth more than that. She know what she's. Yo, girl bad.
You turned into a video victim. How too many girls sit them switching, making moves, pretty on twitching. Oh my days, what do we have here? Them girl there, they cannot come near.
True. What do we have here? Them can't come near. That was a big and look. That mansion look big and look nice too. I like it. I like it. Good move, lady Leshurr.
To the Ophia, they need a handout, I'm like, yeah. Oh my days, what do we have here? Them girl there, they cannot come near. Birmingham Queen, that's to the Ophia. If they want bars, then I got more for ya.
Birmingham Queen, that's who we have here. No doubt about that. There's no other girl. In the music business, yeah, so we are rep it like she, dog. None of them can size up to her. Me no business who want vex. All of the girls want vex and show them bug out of the plan. Me no out of the plan, me no business. Me attack my mind, me back broad. None of you can beat me. Lady Leshurr the baddest thing since sliced bread. Lady Leshurr the baddest thing since COVID. Lady Leshurr the baddest thing since cancer. Lady Leshurr the baddest thing since heart attack. Lady Leshurr the baddest thing since STD. No, they got too far. Let's go.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
It was at this moment she knew. She f***ed up. Leshurr, where you jump off tonight for? We jump off like people them pulling their clothes for Leshurr. Oh, you're so unruly and one to you. You couldn't just sit in the pool and leave it alone, lady. Moral of the story is don't hashtag fake flex. More of the story. Don't hashtag fake flex. But can somebody leave and tell me who she said something about brother and not next of kin? Can somebody explain who she attacked to? Or Lady Leshurr, you yourself, explain that for me, please. Because like I said, I know you watch the comment section. It will all go wrong at the end. Yo, people, if you don't listen to our astronaut EP, you don't need to take a listen, man. You don't need to take a listen, like, seriously. That's all our gram, our Twitter, and everything. You see me? Yeah. Big up Lady Leshurr. Yeah. So, guys, that was short and sweet. It doesn't need a long 3-minute video for you. She tell her what she tell you. She just get straight to the point. Tell you her mind as it is. Yo, big up Lady Leshurr. Big up all of the new subscribers and me see the support. The comment section wicked. That's why I tend to reply to all comments, whether it's good or it's bad. I haven't managed to block anyone yet. I'm not gonna block nobody yet, neither. You see me? But yeah, big up on yourself and respect for the opinion in the comment section. See me and the love and the support. You see me? So guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. And Happy New Year. You see me? If you can't be good, be lucky. And if you don't have nothing good for say, nobody say nothing, man. Sure.